What is going on, everybody, and welcome to the channel. Well, we made it out here to bear camp. As you can see, my truck is still loaded and I have to get it unloaded. We're up here in north central PA at the cabin for bear camp this year. The guys are already here and we have Gunslinger already sitting on the back porch over there. And it is 66 degrees right now, so this weekend, for being towards the end of November, is very warm. So I don't know what this season has in store, but we're going to put together a little game plan and hopefully put things together. But I'm going to get this truck unloaded and bring you guys along with the hunt. I don't know where this video is going to go. We're going to take you on some walks, maybe some posting and stuff like that. So I'm going to get unloaded and I'll see you here in a bit. I did a little sit this morning, but now we put together a game plan where we're going to walk out some ridges and get up into some flat areas so we could see a little bit more. But let me turn you around and show you the view or the mountain that I got to climb to get up top to meet everybody else. The logging road makes it a little bit easier to go up. So we're going to go up there. I'll take you along, take you up there, and we're going to try and find some ridges to sit on and just overlook the side of the mountain. And hopefully somebody push something into me, or we push something into somebody else, or to one of our hunt buddies. All right, so I'll meet you guys up on top. I hooked up with the fellas, and we are going to do our first drive of the morning. And we have a guy up here to my left, and they are going out this way, walking around, going to skirt around some fields, and then they're going to push to us. There's one guy up here on the upper ridge. So let me turn you guys around and show you what I'm looking at here, because when they come through here, it's going to be quick because they're going to be right on top of me. And what they're going to do is they're going to push this way. And up there is where the other guy's at before it goes over to a cliff. So we're just at the top of this hollow, and hopefully they push something into us. We shall see. The drivers must have came through already, so they're done pushing. So they didn't kick nothing out, so just to let you guys know that. Let's get on to the next adventure. I'll talk to you later. Well, we just walked out to a pipeline, and we're coming down the other side, headed back to the cabin, and we started coming down from up there. And now we're at one of the steeper parts, and I let the other two guys go first. We got Wild Bill and Drop Time going down the hill first, and they're sliding down. So let me turn the camera around and show you guys. And I think I just might walk out towards there right, and then down that ravine over there. I might go out that way and come down that way. or I just might follow them. I'm gonna start making my descent down now, so I'll see you down on the bottom. We made it back to the cabin. We came down the hill or off the mountain unscathed. So going up this morning was a lot easier than it was coming down this afternoon. The only thing I seen today were a couple turkey and a couple deer. So we're going to be moving here into day 2, so you guys don't want to miss that. So, but if you're new to the channel, hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, and I'll see you on day 2. Well, thank you for hanging around. Today is day 2 of the 2020 PA Bear Camp. So yesterday, if you follow me on Facebook, I put a post out there that we were descending off the south face. Well, today I'm headed at the, right now I'm at the base of the north face, and I'm headed out, and I'm going to go up partially up the north face to see what's going on. We have a guy up on top, so let me turn you around and show you what I'm looking at here. He's up there at some point, at a point out there. And I'm just going to make my way up around this way, and I might switch back up that way. Well, guys, I'll catch you here in a bit because I'm going to make my way out there now. So hopefully we'll see something today. I'm making my way out to the most northern point of the north face, out to the northern edge. And let me just turn you guys around and show you the terrain. I'm doing this. I think I'm getting at the point of no return because my plan was to hunt out towards this area, but I came out a little bit higher. So I might just finish climbing this north face. I think that's what's going to happen, but let me turn you around and show you what I'm looking at here. Now I got the camera straight out from me. Now I'm going to pan it up. And that's up there is where I'm probably going to end up going, but out here is the most northern side of the north face. And I had the camera pretty much well level so you could see the type of terrain. And I'm making my way up to that rock there. I'm going to try and angle this way because there's no way I'm going to be able to tackle this straight on or out to the side because I'll end up sliding down. So when I get up to that rock, I'll hit you guys up again. Well, I finally made it to this big rock that I pointed out in the previous segment, but this is where I'm going to take a break and eat lunch at, but just let me show you what I came up to, or came from, and then I'm going to show you the edge of this north face here. So we came up from down there. I don't know if you can see that, but as you can see, there's the mountain on the other side of the river, and you can see all the switchback trails going up there. We're going to be climbing up to about that level, about even with the top of that one, so it gives you a little reference as far as how high we are. But let me turn you around and show you what I'm going to have to go up, and I'll show you the edge of this north face. So here's what we're looking at. This is the point to the edge of the north face, and I have to make my way up that way. So like I said, I'm gonna take about a 15-20 minute break here, cool down a little bit, eat lunch, and finish making my way up to the top. So hopefully I'll see you guys up at the top. We made it to the top, and check out that view behind me. It is far well worth the climb. And this is a spot that we call the North Face Point, out up behind the cabin. So I'm going to get together with some of the fellas here. I got to touch base with Drop Time and see what our next game move is. So I'll see you here in a little bit. Well, everyone, it is the third day of the 2020 PA rifle bear season, and on the third day we use this as a travel day to get closer to home and touch base with our families again. But we do have one more day left of the regular PA rifle season for bear here, which I may go out tomorrow, so you guys will have to stay tuned for that. But to recap the end of second day 2, all we seen was some turkey and deer. Once again, we did kick up a couple deer. Just doing that walk, I just couldn't get the camera up to show you guys anything like that. It's just tough to get that stuff. But we have one more day of the regular season, and then I believe I'll be hunting in an area to where the first week of the PA rifle buck season, I could also hunt bear in that season. I have to double check with the book, but I do believe I could also do that. And then we have doe season come up. So you guys don't want to miss out on any of that. So hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, and ring that notification bell so when you guys could get posted on the upcoming videos. Well, I'm going to do a little regrouping here this afternoon and possibly get out tomorrow for the last day of the regular PA bear rifle season. And then it's getting on to the rest of the season to finish up the year. I'm Joe. Driving trucks and hunting bucks is how I roll with Wicked Fabz.